Hey guys, today I started to add a message button on your Instagram post. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add in a message button over on your own Instagram post. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application and would like you guys to proceed with converting your account over to a professional account. So tap on edit profile right here and let's tap on switch to professional account and go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. Proceed with choosing a preferred category, and once that is already done, of course, you're gonna proceed with making a specific post on our professional account that we have right now, and we will have this option called boost post. Of course, as you do post the specific that you want, you will have the option to add a message button, and on those posts that you've already posted, of course, the only option that we have is to boost the post. So let's go ahead and try to post a specific post right now. In this case, I'm gonna choose this photo right here. I'm gonna tap on next. Next, what I want to go ahead and tap on right here is the option to add that specific message button. So once you see this over here, all we need to tap on is the more messages option and tap on send message. And of course, choose your preferred messaging application and tap on next. Basically, tap on next again. And of course, you need to go ahead and provide these preferred payments so that this ad will run properly under your professional account. But of course, that is how you guys could add that sweet message button over on your Instagram post. So please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.